What is LGD 4033 and what is it for? LGD 4033, also known as ligandrol, is a selective androgen receptor modulator, SARM. It is used primarily for increasing muscle mass, improving strength, and enhancing physical performance. LGD 4033 is popular among athletes and bodybuilders due to its ability to promote lean muscle growth without many of the side effects associated with anabolic steroids. What is LGD 4033 made of? LGD 4033 is a synthetic compound designed to selectively target androgen receptors in muscle and bone tissue. It mimics the effects of testosterone, promoting muscle growth and improving bone density without affecting other organs, such as the prostate, to the same extent as anabolic steroids. Types of LGD 4033. LGD 4033 is usually available in the following forms: liquid form, taken orally, and allows for more precise dosing; capsules or tablets, easier for consumption, popular for convenience and accuracy in dosing. Effects on men and women. Men, LGD 4033 helps men build muscle mass, increase strength, and improve overall physical performance. It can also enhance recovery times after intense workouts. Women, LGD 4033 can help women increase muscle definition and improve body composition. At low doses, it presents a lower risk of virilization, development of male characteristics, compared to traditional steroids. Who should avoid LGD 4033? Individuals with hormonal imbalances. LGD 4033 can affect hormone levels and may disrupt the body's natural balance. People with liver or kidney conditions. Since it is metabolized by the body, individuals with impaired liver or kidney function should avoid using LGD 4033. Athletes subject to drug testing. SARMs, including LGD 4033, are banned by most sports organizations, so athletes under testing regulations should avoid its use. What age? Can you start taking LGD 4033? LGD 4033 is not recommended for individuals under the age of 21. Hormonal balance and development may still be ongoing in younger individuals, and SARMs could potentially disrupt this balance. Recommended dosage. The standard dosage for LGD 4033 typically ranges from 5 to 10 milligrams per day. New users may start with 5 milligrams to assess tolerance, while more experienced users may take up to 10 milligrams per day. Cycles usually last between 8 to 12 weeks, followed by a post-cycle therapy, PCT, to restore natural hormone levels. Ways to consume and the best way to enjoy it. LGD 4033 is taken orally. Take with food to reduce potential stomach discomfort. Consistency is key. Take it at the same time each day to maintain stable blood levels. When is the best time to take LGD 4033? The best time to take LGD 4033 is typically in the morning or before workouts. Taking it before workouts may enhance performance, while consistent timing helps to maintain steady levels in the body. Can pregnant women take LGD 4033? No, pregnant women should not take LGD 4033. It can affect hormone levels and pose risks to both the mother and the developing fetus. LGD 4033 and health conditions. Diabetes. LGD 4033 may influence insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation, so people with diabetes should consult with a healthcare provider before using it. Cancer. Since LGD 4033 affects androgen receptors, it may potentially stimulate the growth of hormone-sensitive cancers. Individuals with a history of cancer or those at high risk should avoid using it. For gaining or losing weight. Gaining weight. LGD 4033 is ideal for individuals looking to gain lean muscle mass, as it promotes muscle growth while minimizing fat gain. Losing weight, LGD 4033, can help preserve muscle mass during a caloric deficit, making it a popular choice during cutting cycles to lose fat without losing muscle.